Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Flower of the Month Challenge for the May month, and this is hosted by DIY Deanna the Crafty Magnolia and co-hosted by me, Sun's Arts. And thank you so much, Dana, for this opportunity. The links to her Crafty Magnolia's channel as well as the playlist of all the participants are found in my description box. So let's get started. this is the final reveal of my project. So as you saw the process, this is one of the house that I got from Dollar General for $1, and I attached one of the wooden box that I got from Dollar Tree, and I painted antique wax. Not be shown, I thought like I should still paint it, so I painted it. And like you saw the process, these are the paper towel, white color paper towel, and I just folded and I cut those in like flowers, and then I made almost like lilies. And you saw that yellow thing is basically one of the tissue paper of the lemon, and I just like you saw the process, I made like an inner part of the flower, and I stuck them behind the box of the house. So I wanted to give a look where the house is decorated with these lily flowers. They're just growing behind the house. That's the look I wanted to give. So I'm absolutely loving the lily flowers as well as the home decor. Let me know your thoughts on this. So as this month of the flower of May is basically the lily of the valley and hawthorn. I couldn't get hawthorn, but this is the closest I can get. So I got some of these blooms from Dollar Tree, white and pink, and I just decorated on this wooden sign, and I stuck those foam letters like bloom on it. I decorated the bottom part of this wooden sign with some of the Spanish moss, decorated with some of my lily flowers on this corner. So this is one of the hawthorn decor that I wanted to present it to you. I hope you enjoyed. I am absolutely loving this one as well, so let me know your thoughts on this too. Last but not the least, this is the lily decor, and these are the lilies that I got from Dollar Tree floral section, and this jar I got from thrift store for 79 cents, and I just wanted to decorate some lilies in this, and this is one of the final project that I wanted to present it to you all. These are the few of the decor that I wanted to present for the flower of the month, lily of the valley and hawthorn decor. So I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.